caught some birds. I caught some birds. Yes, I caught the birds. I caught some birds. I caught some birds. The birds, the birds, the birds.
Whoa. Hey, what do you got there?
Oh, just some wild birds I caught.
Some wild birds? What? Where'd you catch these wild birds at?
Oh, in the jungle. In the jungle. You know my hat. You know a hunter's hat. You know.
The hunter? You mean the jungle in Waco?
In Waco? No. Over there. There you go.
Oh, okay. So, tell me, what are you gonna do with these wild birds?
Oh, I want to play games with them.
Games?
Yeah.
What kind of games are you gonna play with?
Good question. Oh, I got one. I'm gonna take some sticks on the floor and the ground. I'm just gonna go. Oh, here's another one. I want to shake the cage like this. So the birds will freak out.
What's your plan for these wild birds after you do all that?
I'm gonna give them to my cat.
Your cat? What's the name of your cat?
Tripod! You know, because he's missing one leg.
You know what? I tell you what, I like wild birds and I'll buy them from you.
You want to buy these wild birds?
Yeah, I'll buy them. What's your price?
Are you serious?
I'm very serious.
Well, you know, if you want these wild birds, they're good for nothing. They're worthless. The minute you open up the cage to get them, they're just gonna fly away.
Well, that's okay. How much you want for them?
$5? Is that too expensive?
Five sounds good.
$10.
Fine. 10. Okay.
$20.
Look, they're just some wild birds.
They're exotic wild birds.
But you found them in the jungle.
The exotic jungle. Come on, sir.
Fine. $20.
I'm rich. Thank you. Well, you can have my wild birds.
Yeah, that's what I bought them for.
Yeah, I got 20.
Here you go. Be free.
It's a big, man.
What do you got in there?
You know what's in there.
Mankind.
Found them in the garden. Funny thing is, they put themselves in there. I really had nothing to do with it.
So, what's your plan for mankind?
I'm gonna play games with them.
Games? What kind of games are you gonna play with them?
All kind of games. I'm gonna put games in their life that they're gonna think is gonna bring them pleasure. I'm gonna make them think that they're free, but they're actually slaves. That's right. I'm gonna flip the world upside down. I'm gonna take what's right and make it wrong, and what's wrong, make it right.
You know, my father and I, we love the human race.
I know.
And we want them to have access to us.
You want these humans?
Yes.
know, they're gonna promise you their life, and then they're gonna turn their back on you.
Well, some will, but some won't.
You serious?
Very serious.
Well, it's gonna cost you and your tears.
Yeah,
It's gonna cost you your blood.
I know.
It's gonna cost you your life.
Yeah, it will.
You're willing to give up your life for these people?
I'm willing to do whatever it takes for their freedom.
Okay.
Now this reminds us of what Jesus did for us on the cross. He carried that cross to Calvary, where he died for you and me. He was buried for 3 days, and then rose again, where he forever sits at the right hand of the Father.